Windows 11 has come a long way since its launch, and in 2025, it's packed with features that can make your workflow faster, smoother, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or a regular user, knowing a few tips and tricks can save you time and help you get the most out of your PC. Let's start with Snap Layouts and Snap Groups. This feature is a game changer for multitasking. By hovering over the Maximize button of any window, you can instantly snap it into a layout alongside other apps. You can create custom arrangements for work, study, or entertainment, and Windows 11 remembers these layouts in Snap Groups, so you can switch between them quickly without rearranging everything. Next, don't overlook virtual desktops. You can set up multiple desktops for different purposes, like one for work, one for school, and one for personal use. Switching between them is fast, and it helps keep your tasks organized. You can even customize the wallpaper for each desktop to make it visually clear which one you're using. Another great tip is to explore Windows 11's AI-powered Copilot. Activated by voice or the taskbar, Copilot can help automate repetitive tasks, summarize documents, or answer questions without needing to open multiple apps. It's perfect for boosting productivity, especially when working on complex projects or managing multiple tasks at once. Windows 11 also makes file management easier. The updated File Explorer offers a cleaner interface and faster access to frequently used folders. You can pin important folders, use tabs to organize different locations, and even preview files without opening them. These small tweaks save time and reduce the hassle of searching through files. For those who like keyboard shortcuts, Windows 11 offers some new ones that are worth memorizing. For example, Windows plus Z opens Snap Layouts instantly, Windows plus W opens Widgets, and Windows plus N opens the Notification Center. Using these shortcuts can dramatically speed up navigation and help you stay focused on your work. Another tip is to take advantage of Windows 11 widgets. They provide quick access to news, weather, calendar events, and more right from your desktop. You can customize the feed to show only the information that matters to you, making it a small but powerful productivity tool. Lastly, don't forget about power and performance tweaks. You can optimize battery life on laptops with the new power modes, manage startup apps for faster boot times, and take advantage of system monitoring tools built into settings to keep your PC running efficiently. Windows 11 in 2025 is all about combining style with functionality, and learning these tips and tricks can help you navigate the system like a pro. From Snap Layouts and virtual desktops to AI tools and keyboard shortcuts, these small changes can make a big difference in your daily workflow. If you enjoyed these tips and tricks, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more helpful Windows 11 guides and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.